Hello everyone, in this video we will see PHP sorting, how to sort arrays in PHP. So coming to our IDE, we will first create a file here and click on new file and save this file as sort.php. Now the basic syntax of PHP and here we will create an array $ar array name. We will create an index array and then values ABC CBA comma DCAE DCE comma ABC comma SBCA. So these are four values inside an array. At the first position CBA, then second DCE, ABC and BCA. So what I have done, I have simply at the first index I have set CBA, its first letter starts with C, and in the second at the second position the first letter starts with D, and at the third first letter starts with A, and at the fourth position uh, the first letter starts with B. Now I will first of all I will use this for each loop to provide to print this on a screen, and $s, and we will echo a message here. We will $s. So first we will see on the output window sort.php CBA, DCE, ABC and BCA. Now we will here sort this function. The functions used for sorting purpose in PHP are sort, then we have to provide, you can see the array name, now we will see on the output screen. We will copy it from here and paste it here. First we will give some message here. After sorting saving all and come to browser and refresh it. Now you can see CBA, first it is before sorting, and after sorting the result is this A, B, C, D. The first letter starts with A, then B, then C, then D. So this is how to sort an indexed array in PHP. If we have to sort this in reverse, then we have to type R here. This was in ascending order, and if we have to sort it in descending order, then we have to type R here. So let us come to browser and see DCBA. So it is sorted in reverse order. This was about the indexed array. Like I will echo a message here, indexed array. sorry, we will see this output on screen. Indexed array, this is before sorting and this is after sorting in reverse order. So now if we have an associative array, we will echo it associative array, and we will create an array here, array name, associative, and the value will be the same values we will use here. I'm copying and pasting it. So D C. In this array, associative array, if the key is A and the value is CBA, key is B and value is DCE, key is C and value is ABC, and key is D and the value is BCA. Now to sort this array, we'll copy this code from here up to here and paste it here. Now to sort an associative array, we have to use a sort function. Refreshing this, we will see this is after this about indexed array, and associative array starts from here after sorting A, B, C, D. In associative array we have to use this K A if we want to sort them by using key. Factor array call to undefined called K sort. So we will see what happened here. It's actually K sort, sorting by key. So you can see the key is here A, and in this case key is B, and in this case key is C, and in this case key is D. So it is sorted as per the key. Now if we want to sort this, first we will print this key also here. We will use the value here, $s underscore value, key is $s dot value is dot $s underscore this value, and then br here, saving, and you can see key 0, key 1, key 2 and key 3 value this. Now if we sort this as the reverse order, AR we have to use here, and sort this and refreshing this. we'll sort the keys in a reverse order here, like we have to use kr, actually kr, and coming to the browser. Now it is in the reverse order, 3210, and the corresponding values are displayed. So this is how to sort arrays, indexed arrays and associative arrays in PHP. Please like and share this video and subscribe to my channel Technophile. Thank you.